Hi, welcome to TAG Physical Therapy's mini wellness workshop. I'm Megan Golden, physical therapist. Today we're going to be discussing how to get more comfortable on your computer while working at home. Today, many of us are spending increasing amounts of time at home on our devices, whether it's a smartphone, a laptop, a tablet, or a computer. Unfortunately, sometimes this increased time on our devices is associated with discomfort, aches, pains, or strains. The good news is there are a few simple things you can do to get yourself more comfortable. I'm going to show you a few tips that you can easily apply in your own home. Let's go inside. Welcome inside. One of the principles I like to keep in mind when setting up a home workstation, whether it be for schoolwork, recreation, leisure activities, or work for the office, is that we're trying to set up the environment, meaning your computer, your keyboard, and any supplies you're going to be working with, in a way that helps support a comfortable, relaxed, neutral spine posture. Neutral spine posture is when your head is stacked right over your shoulders and your spine is fairly erect with the natural curves of the spine preserved. That means no slumping, no slouching, no twisting. The human body and the musculoskeletal system is extremely resilient, so it is okay to use a variety of postures and movements throughout the day, and I encourage you to do that as this kind of variety is a hallmark of musculoskeletal health. However, when we're going to be spending a long period of time at the computer, neutral spine posture is the one that is recommended. Let's take a look at me sitting in this chair. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see my alignment. When I sit this way in the chair, you can see that my spine is fairly neutral. I'm a little bit reclined, but my head, shoulders, mid-back, low back, and pelvis are fairly stacked one on top of the other. It's nice to note that neutral can be reclined or it can be upright. One thing that's not neutral is this. And we all do it sometimes, and it's okay for short periods of time. But when you're at your computer, you want to work on neutral. So let's take a look at my laptop. Here I have my laptop, and when I sit down in my seat, and I just have my laptop set up on a dining room table or a desk, a few things are noticeable right away. One is that the monitor is really too low for me to be comfortable, and I imagine for most of you as well. When I use a laptop just like this, it really makes me want to slump. And I will admit, sometimes I find myself sitting like this. Fortunately, there's a simple solution. All you need is a few books and perhaps a few pillows. If you're able to access or acquire an external additional keyboard and mouse, that will be very helpful. Let me show you how to use these items. The reason we use books is to bring the monitor up to eye level. This laptop is now just serving as my monitor. That seems about right. You want to adjust the distance of your laptop such that your eyes feel comfortable and you don't feel you need to strain to see. This feels about right for me. Bring in your external keyboard and your mouse and keep them fairly close. This feels pretty good. In this position, I feel that my head is easily set over the rest of my spine, and my spine is fairly neutral. The elbow angle should be approximately 90 degrees, or perhaps open of that a little bit more. There are a few things I can do to play with this position and increase my comfort, or just add a little variety. Sometimes a chair might feel too low, or a keyboard might feel too high. And in order to effectively lower the keyboard, you can raise your chair height, like this. This opens up the angle of the elbows a little bit more, and truthfully, this feels more comfortable for me. Another thing you can do is use a pillow to support your back. This way, you can relax a little bit against the support of the pillow or the seat back without compromising the alignment in your spine. This feels really good. Another thing I like to do sometimes when I want to be just a little bit more active in my sitting posture is I'll take away all of the pillows and I'll reposition the chair a little bit back so that I'm sitting at the front edge. At the front edge of the chair, I can really feel my pelvic bones sitting against the seat, and I can really feel that I position myself nice and neutral. It's another way to bring variety into your computer activity. Now that you see this setup, I hope you find that you can apply these principles easily to your home computer setup. Also, I hope you can appreciate that separating the monitor and the keyboard are critical to ensuring a comfortable position. Tablets and smartphones are very useful, but I do recommend that you only spend short periods of time using them. Remember, it's important to take standing breaks, walking breaks, stretch breaks, stay hydrated and active, do things you enjoy. I hope you find this workshop useful. Please know that if you're experiencing any pain, any numbness, tingling, severe discomfort, it is important to consult your healthcare practitioner. While these tips are useful, they are not a substitute for individualized consultation and care. TAG Physical Therapy is offering in-person and telehealth video conference healthcare. Please contact us if you would like to speak with us about your particular needs. We'd be more than happy to help. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you for joining us.